viewers, I'm Srinivas again before you with a new topic. Today's topic is agriculture. Agriculture is a vast term. It's a vast which inside there are many branches. Basically, two major. One is crop growing, that is growing food crops, and second is animal husbandry, where we raise animals for meat, milk, egg, and many more, even for leather. Okay, so agriculture is very vast that we have to learn. Each and every one of us should learn agriculture because world population, as I already discussed in one of my videos, it is not stable, which I could not able to tell the figure now, because when I started to speak and now it's totally different. So it is second by second it is changing. So that much billions of people are already here in our globe. The basic development of population, the basic increase in population is agriculture, food sustainability, food safety, food security otherwise. So agriculture given the food security, and so population increases steeply. So human being, as he discovered agriculture, he slowly increased the land from the forest towards agriculture. So forest land decreased and agricultural land increased in course of time. So when it is actually started, when the agriculture is actually started, science is telling between 11 to 10,000 years. 1 lakh years or 100,000 years ago, nomadic people, cave dwellers, have already discovered plants and seeds, how plants are coming from seeds, and they also tried to grow wild plants around their dwellings. When there is a drought, they used to shift the population to somewhere else, to the fertile land, to the bounty. And if their drought exists, then they used to shift. Nomadic way of life. So people started first nomadic style of life, then they go into big developed method of living, which is called as slash and burn agriculture. So they slowly know how to raise plants. So when the soil became useless, they throw that and go to some other land, right? This time they come to know what is fertility, what is soil, what should we do with the soil to give increased productivity. So they used ash. When they are burning the residues of the plant, ash will be there. That ash they apply to the soil and they seen some development of yield. So slash and burn agriculture they started. After that they studied many more, and course of time the agriculture technology developed and ended in intensive agriculture technique, where the land will not be thrown for fallow, for rest. Continuously the land will be utilized for agriculture, that is for food production. So the how human being know to increase the fertility of the soil means they discovered a lot of scientific method to boost the fertility of the soil by chemical method, applying urea, applying phosphate fertilizers, applying lot of ammonical fertilizers, so that they can extract from the soil as agriculture produces. So scientific agriculture comes. There also some limitation are there, and worldwide scientific agriculture also having contradiction in terms of pollution and erosion. Science is telling that almost 40% of agricultural land worldwide is affected by erosion or degradation. So how best we can recover the land itself a problem these days. Scientific agriculture also having a problem. So organic agriculture people prefer. Organic agriculture means it's not so easy. Pest, diseases, one side. One side, soil fertility, it will degrade. So how to manage in organic agriculture? So the word came, it is sustainable agriculture, where organic as well as inorganic agriculture will be used, shared in a way called sustainability to maintain yield as well as to protect crop from pest and diseases and to maintain good soil fertility. So soil sustainable agriculture is the wise choice to boost food production as well as you know um, uh, preserving the soil fertility and avoiding the pollution also. So at first, European Union by 1991 started the word organic agriculture, organic food or something like that. So from that, organic agriculture started as a safe method of agriculture, and already industrial agriculture is always there. So put together, we discovered the sustainable agriculture. And here also a problem. As I told already, population increased due to production, agriculture production increased. But population increase these days is so fast that sustainable agriculture also is getting a problem to maintain the food security. So we have to include still more technologies rather than even sustainable agriculture to boost food security for the ever increasing population. So what are the other methods too? Well, so the other method is terrace farming. Whatever available space on the house top, terrace, you do agriculture. Major food producers, what are those? Wheat, rice, maize. These are the three major uh, food producers. Even agriculture also developed independently in different parts of the world. Maize, America, um, wheat, Mediterranean area, rice, India or China, in between, South Asia otherwise. So all these three independently developed and exchanged in the name of trade, and agriculture got the shape up to now. Well, so so what could be done? What are the technology? As I told, terrace agriculture, where effective utilization of land. So we are having vast and vast of land in each countries named as so-called wastelands. They are not actually wastelands. Perfect desert could also be utilized for agriculture. In China, they are trying, great people. So wastelands are there in all the countries, could be utilized for forestry, means growing suitable species of trees in arid area, in wasteland, in even desert. So the rainwater harvested will be used. If there is no rain at all, we can pull somewhere water from nearby areas, nearby rivers, to do agriculture or forest uh, improvement in such arid areas. It is always possible. So wasteland and arid land should be converted into forest land, so that climate change also could be addressed and the arid land also could get some rain. These days, for the past 10 years, it started climate change, and desert areas these days are blooming, and cultivated areas where surplus of water, where they're all depleted with water. So some changes are going on. Too much water somewhere else, floods. So confused climate also happening. So we have to maintain the food security. For that, the solution is solid. One, agriculture should be known to all the citizens of this world. All the citizens should know agriculture. So the agriculture technology will get evolved. Not one part of the people should know agriculture. Farmers, scientists, agriculture scientists, everybody should know agriculture so that the evolution of agriculture technology will be faster and the food security will be sustained for ever increasing population. Then comes wasteland forestry, then comes desert forestry, then comes education of agriculture itself to each and every citizens of this world. So we'll get a strong population so that human being will not feel hungry, the so-called, what it is called, what the terminology, famine, yeah, I just, famine. There should not be famine in this world. All right. So the solution, the conclusion is each one of us should know agriculture at least to the surface level, so that we can fine tune the technologies uh, towards good food production and food safety, what it is called as food security for ever increasing population. Thank you for watching this video. You can comment and you can advise me also through the comment section, and you can even press the bell button so as to make the videos, the future videos, to be sensitized. Thank you very much again for watching this video. Thank you.